Hello kids, let's try playing dolphin with football. First, subscribe my channel for more videos and press like button. Draw a cute dolphin. Draw football. Draw a cute sun. Draw sun rays. Draw water. Draw smiling face of sun. Wow, it is complete. Let's color violet color. Sky blue color in water. Multicolor in football. Orange, green, yellow, sky blue color, pink color, yellow, looking nice, orange color in the sun. Looking lovely. If you like my video, then must subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.